Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Scrivener app for academic writing. In order to do so, here we are at scrivener.app. So you can come here and take a look at what Scrivener is all about. I would recommend watching the video that they have here that goes over all the details. But if you want to use Scrivener, what you're going to need to do is come here and there's a download link, and that's going to redirect you over to literatureandlatte.com/Scrivener, and you can download a free trial or you can buy it outright. So what is Scrivener all about? Well, it's the go-to app for writers of all kinds, used every day for novelists, screenwriters, nonfiction writers, students, academics, lawyers, journalists, translators, and more. Scrivener won't tell you how to write. It simply provides everything you need to start writing and keep writing. So basically what Scrivener does is it gives you all the tools to be able to format your manuscript properly. You can grow your manuscript your way. It's tailor-made for long writing projects. Scrivener banishes page fright by allowing you to compose your text in any order in sections as large or small as you like. Got a great idea but don't know where it fits? Right when inspiration strikes and find its place later. Grow your manuscript organically, idea by idea. So what Scrivener really does is it gives you the tools that you need to be able to format your manuscript. And so if you are doing an academic writing, then you can come to Scrivener and basically it will help you to organize everything. If you're need to refer to research in Scrivener, your background material is always at hand and you can open it right next to your work. Write a description based on a photograph, transcribe an interview, take notes about a PDF file or web page, or check for consistency by referencing an earlier chapter alongside the one in progress. Once you're ready to share your work with the world, compile everything into a single document for printing, self-publishing, or exporting to popular formats such as Word, PDF, Final Draft, or plain text. You can even share it using different formatting so that you can write in your favorite font and still satisfy those submission guidelines. And again, if you want Scrivener for Mac, Windows, or iOS, then you can head over to literatureandlatte.com and you can download that. You do have access to a free trial, as I said, but you are going to need to purchase this in order to gain access to it. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. And you can see here that for Windows, you're looking at around $80 Canadian. So depending on where you are, that might be a different price, but that gives you an idea of how it is you can get started with Scrivener. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our Linktree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. For the Simply Financial, there in the link, if in Linktree, if you click on the link there, you can get $50 to open an account. Once you've opened an account, you can refer your friends and get $125 per referral, and your friends and family will get $50 to start as well. It's a great deal. It's a win-win situation, and Simply Financial is a fantastic bank. Highly recommended.